Good morning once again. As you know, chart it's a pictorial representation of data. In the previous videos we have discussed what is chart and what are the different components of chart, right? And we have also discussed about the different types of chart. There are variety of types of chart and that we have discussed. In this video we will discuss how exactly the chart is created and how we can see these things while creating a chart. So let's begin. As you can see, I have entered some data here, that is name and marks, which is for a particular activity in a school. And now after selecting the data, simply we need to choose insert tab. In the insert tab there is a group of charts, and here we can choose a particular chart type, whatever we want. This is basically for column chart and bar chart. Further, there are tree map and sunburst, and there are pivot chart and many more options, but initially I am looking for a 3D column chart. So as I click over here, you can see that the chart is appeared. Fine. Now when the chart has come in front of you, it doesn't mean that the task is over. Just for the basic understanding, yes, we can say that the chart is done and it's fine, but otherwise we need to see how exactly we are able to work on this and we are able to see the reflections. For example, you can see Rakesh has secured 89% marks, and accordingly we can see his bar over here. And suppose if I make some changes in the value, say I make it 99 and I do enter, so at the same time you would see that the bar is raised. Again we try. Suppose for Roshni it's showing 65, and if I do it 79 and I do enter, so this bar is raised, right? So this way we can see how the data is reflected in the charts after making some changes. When we click on the chart, we find the area around. This is the chart area, this is plot area, these are the bars, and these are the titles. Definitely we also want that these things should be mentioned properly. So what we can do, after clicking on chart, we can look for option of chart design and format, right? Format itself is a big area to discuss, that I will discuss with you in the next video. This video I will talk about the layout and design. So in the design tab you will find an option of quick layout. As we move on quick layout, there are variety of layouts which we can decide for our chart, and the best suited one we can choose, and accordingly the data will be shown. These are the layouts suggested by the Microsoft Excel, and if we want to make changes we can plan. So suppose if I decide this one, after choosing this one I can make changes in the chart title, right? Suppose if I write here performance, fine, and this is for x-axis title. I can make changes over here also if I want. And in the same manner, if I want to add something else in my chart like legend or data table, all these things are possible. But before that, let's see about the next option, that is change colors. If I click on this option, I will be able to change the colors, fine. And if I scroll down, there are different color ranges that we can choose to show the chart. Then further we have chart styles. This is the first one, style 1. This is style 2, having dotted. Then the values are being shown on the chart bars as labels. This is another one. So these are different type of styles. Whatever we feel looking nice, we can decide it. Suppose I have taken this one, got it. And then we have switch row and column. It depends on the chart whether this column will be successfully done or not. And switching row and column means the marks would be coming at bottom this way and names would be coming at left side. So if I click over here, you can see that the things have been changed. Now the marks have come at the left side and at bottom we have names, and names are shown with the help of legend with different color contrast. Got it? And if we click on select data, the data is selected, and if I want to make changes in anything, that can be done here. Suppose I have shown all the data over here, but I don't want to include Sulekha in the chart, and if I do OK, so Sulekha is removed from the chart. Got it? And next we have change chart type. If I click over here, it was already discussed in the previous video, but even then we can change any of the chart type. We can choose any of the chart type, and then we need to do OK, and the chart will change accordingly. So this is the basic understanding how to create a chart and how to set the designs. And there is one more option of move chart. If I click here, that means I can decide where I want to switch over the chart, where I want to send it. So it is saying new sheet, so definitely new sheet will be created for that. And this is object in sheet 1, so I can specify the number sheet 1 or sheet 2, right? So if I do sheet 2 and if I do OK, now you can see that it has come on sheet 2 also. Because move option was chosen, so it has moved from that place to here. Got it? But the options are there wherever we keep the chart, whether it is about switching row column, selecting data, chart type, or anything else. Wherever the chart is, we can change, we can choose, we can decide all the options depending upon the need. So that's all in this particular video about making a chart and different designing, layout, and changing chart type, these kind of options. In the next video we will discuss how exactly we can do the formatting of chart about different components. Thank you so much. Keep learning, keep watching. Thank you so much.